Phalaenopsis mannii, a fragrant star for your orchid collection. I'm Ferb Vu, and orchids are my passion. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Phalaenopsis mannii, a unique species with star-shaped blooms and a captivating fragrance. Whether you're a seasoned orchid aficionado or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will unveil the secrets to caring for this Southeast Asian beauty. What is Phalaenopsis mannii? Phalaenopsis mannii, also known as Mann's Phalaenopsis, is an epiphytic orchid native to the humid forests of eastern Nepal to southern Yunnan. Unlike its more common Phalaenopsis cousins, Mannii boasts stunning star-shaped flowers adorned with a delightful fragrance. The blooms, typically a captivating sunshine yellow with hints of brown and sometimes even ruby-red spots, are long-lasting and produced in succession, offering a floral display that can last for weeks. How does Phalaenopsis mannii differ from Phalaenopsis hybrids? While Phalaenopsis hybrids are renowned for their vibrant colors and large blooms, Phalaenopsis mannii offers a more understated elegance. Its star-shaped flowers are smaller, typically around 1.5 inches, but their delicate beauty and delightful fragrance hold a unique charm. Additionally, Mannii is an epiphyte, meaning it grows on other plants in its natural habitat. Many Phalaenopsis hybrids are grown in bark or other potting media, making Mannii's care slightly different. What are the ideal growing conditions for Phalaenopsis mannii? Phalaenopsis mannii thrives in warm, intermediate temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. It prefers bright, filtered light, similar to what it would receive under the forest canopy. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Humidity is key for this orchid. Aim for 80 to 95% humidity. Placing your Mannii near a humidifier or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants can help achieve this. How should I water my Phalaenopsis mannii? Unlike Phalaenopsis hybrids sold in potting media, Mannii's roots require good air circulation. Avoid soggy conditions that can lead to root rot. Here's a watering method that works well. Soak the orchid pot in lukewarm water for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the medium to absorb moisture thoroughly. Drain the pot completely and ensure no excess water remains. Allow the potting medium to dry slightly between waterings. Signs of thirst include wrinkled leaves. What is the best potting medium for Phalaenopsis mannii? Mannii thrives in a well-draining, airy medium that allows for good root aeration. Popular choices include orchid bark, sphagnum moss chips, or a combination of both. Avoid using regular potting soil, which can retain too much moisture. How do I fertilize my Phalaenopsis mannii? During its active growth phase, fertilize your Mannii with a weak, orchid-specific fertilizer once a month. Dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength to avoid burning the roots. Avoid fertilizing during the resting phase. Does Phalaenopsis mannii require repotting? Repotting is only necessary when the current pot becomes overcrowded or the medium decomposes. The ideal time for repotting is after flowering or when new roots begin to emerge. Choose a pot that allows for good air circulation and only slightly larger than the existing one. Common problems with Phalaenopsis mannii and how to fix them. Brown spots on leaves. This could indicate sunburn. Move your orchid to a location with filtered light. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering is a common culprit. Adjust your watering schedule to allow the medium to dry slightly between waterings. Flowers failing to open. This can be caused by insufficient light or cool temperatures. Ensure your orchid receives bright, indirect light and maintain appropriate temperatures. With proper care, Phalaenopsis mannii will reward you with its captivating star-shaped blooms and delightful fragrance for years to come. Embrace the challenge of providing its specific needs, and you'll be rewarded with a truly unique and captivating addition to your orchid collection.